Good morning. Today's August the 27th and we are Thursday. So happy Thursday. Is everyone doing the happy dance because tomorrow is Friday? Let's get started with today's morning meeting. Let's talk about your mood today. How are you feeling? Are y'all excited today? Are you feeling sad, surprised, or happy? So how are you all feeling today? I'm feeling happy because it's almost Friday. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's say the days of the week. Start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Today we're Thursday. Tomorrow we're Friday. And then the days that everybody enjoys, Saturday and Sunday. Days of the week and date. So let's see if today we're Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. So today's August the 27th, 2020, and it is hot outside, and it's considered still summertime. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We need to stay active. We need to go outside in the evenings when it's cooler, the sun's going down. We need to ride your bike, walk your dog, use your scooter, skateboard, play basketball, enjoy some time outside. Today's agenda. Today we will be we will be working on your IEP goals. Social skill lesson. Don't quit. We've learned about not quitting all week. So we're almost done with the week. If you have any questions, you can contact your teachers, Ms. Castañeda, Ms. Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Ms. De La Garza. You can call me and I will help you with anything I can. Thank you.